So today's lesson is over how to find the percent from a table and match it with a percent bar graph. So let's look at our first example. Let's look at card B. Card B. So let's see. This is about minivans, truck, sedan, and SUV. There's 2, 4, 9, 5. So we're looking for part to whole. So let's start with the first one, which is minivan. There are two minivan out of whole. What does all of these add up to? If you add up 2 to 4 to 9 to 5 adds up to 20. So it's 2 out of 20. Now we need to turn this to a percent. There are several ways you could turn this to a percent. A percent is anything out of 100. What is the relationship between 20 to 100 times 5? 2 times 5 is 10 hundredths, and that would be 10%. So let's look at card E. In this one, is this 10%? It is. Is this 10%? No. Is this 10%, this part? No. Is this 10%? Oh, yes. So it could be either card H or card E. Let's look at the next one. Truck. Truck, there are 4 truck, that's part of it, out of the whole of 20, 4/20th. Another way you can turn a fraction to a percent is by dividing it. What's 4 divided by 20? Can 20 go into 4? Nada. No. Can 20 go into 40? 2 times. So it's 0 and 2 tenths. 2 tenths is the same thing as 20 hundredths, which is 20%. So out of curiosity, to turn a fraction to a percent, you could do out of 100 and find a relationship, or you can just divide 2 divided by 20 or 4 divided by 20 and find a decimal and then turn a decimal to a fraction and fraction to percent. Many ways. So we know, so the minivan is 10%. The truck is 20%. Let's look at this one. Is the truck 20%? It started at 10. It ranged from 10 to 53-ish, 55-ish. That's more than 20%. So maybe it's card H. It goes from 10 to 30. It ranged from 10 to 30. So how far is it from 10 to 30? 20%. And that's why it's card H. So that is how you turn a table into a percent bar or matching it by finding the part to whole.